Peace be upon all the members of my family. In fact, my family consists of 9.2 billion people living all around this earth. This is because we all are human beings. Our needs are the same. Our interests might be different, but our impetus about the mankind is more or less the same. We are sent on this earth for a definite period of time, and then we vanish from the sights of our nears and dears, leaving them in the state of sadness and despair. At the outset, my Creator, my Lord, had restricted me from only one thing and allowed to enjoy all the rest. But alas, I could not be firm to remember His order and made a lasting mistake and had thrown out of the dream garden as the punishment of that disobedience and the mistake. Then I was asked to be humble and walk gently on the earth. But on this aspect too, I often seem to be the hostile one. I am supposed to keep high and good morale on each step of my life, from my immediate family to my global family, regarding all the matters related to my life. Some of the members of my extended or global family are very, very rich. Some are rich. Some of them hardly make both ends meet, and some others are destitute. In this case, as the human beings, we imperatively supposed to help those who don't have anything in their possessions. We have strictly been ordered to desist from killing any innocent soul, because that is tantamount to killing of the entire humanity. And imagine what would be the punishment of such a heinous crime that is against the law of the Creator. In the concluding lines, I wish for myself to be a human always and live according to the life of a gentle human being. And I wish the same way of life for my immediate and for my global family as well. This life is just for a brief period, but is precious indeed. If we be kind to the others, our kindness will never go unrewarded. Parents are very, very valuable to their kids and vice versa. Therefore, my family needs to understand the values of the each relationship in the family. May God bless you all, particularly to those who believe in God. Ameen. Ya Rabbul Alameen.